Thinking about diving into the wild world of crypto beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum? Ever wondered how platforms like Gemini can be your gateway to potentially explosive altcoin opportunities like Solana or Zcash, and crucially, how to do it smartly? If you're nodding along, you're in the right place. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, and while Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the headlines, the true innovation, and often the most significant gains, can be found in the vast ocean of altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies. These digital assets are built with diverse functionalities, from revolutionizing decentralized finance, DeFi, to powering secure, private transactions, and they offer a compelling avenue for those looking to diversify their crypto portfolio or explore cutting-edge blockchain technology. Today, we're not just scratching the surface, we're taking a deep dive into how you can navigate the altcoin market specifically on Gemini, a platform renowned for its robust security and regulatory compliance. We'll explore everything from setting up your account and understanding the interface to employing effective trading strategies and, most importantly, managing your risk. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to make informed decisions when trading altcoins like Solana, $SOL, and Zcash, $ZEC, on Gemini. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's briefly touch upon why altcoins are so captivating. While Bitcoin is often seen as digital gold and Ethereum as the backbone of decentralized applications, altcoins offer specialized solutions and often boast significantly higher growth potential due to their smaller market caps and innovative use cases. However, with higher potential rewards come higher risks. Understanding this fundamental trade-off is crucial for anyone considering altcoin trading. Gemini, as a regulated exchange, provides a relatively secure environment to explore these opportunities, but the inherent volatility of altcoins remains a key factor to consider. Now, let's get down to business. Getting started on Gemini, your altcoin launchpad. First things first, if you don't have a Gemini account, you'll need to set one up. The process is straightforward and emphasizes security, which is a major selling point for Gemini. You'll go through standard KYC, Know Your Customer, procedures, which involve verifying your identity. This is a crucial step that helps Gemini maintain its regulatory compliance and provides a safer trading environment for all users. Once your account is verified, you'll need to fund it. Gemini supports various deposit methods, including bank transfers, ACH, wire transfers, and even debit card deposits. Keep in mind that different deposit methods may have varying fees and processing times. For larger amounts, wire transfers are often preferred for their speed, while ACH transfers are typically free but can take a few business days to clear. For those just getting started, smaller debit card deposits can be quick but may incur higher fees. Navigating the Gemini platform, Standard versus Active Trader. Gemini offers two main interfaces for trading, the standard web and mobile app interface, and the more advanced Active Trader platform. For beginners, the standard interface is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed for simplicity, allowing you to easily buy, sell, and track your digital assets. You can set up recurring buys, view basic price charts, and access educational resources. This is a great starting point for anyone new to crypto or specifically new to Gemini. However, if you're serious about altcoin trading, you'll want to graduate to Active Trader. This is where Gemini truly shines for more experienced users. Active Trader provides advanced charting tools. You get access to a full suite of technical analysis indicators, drawing tools, and customizable chart layouts. This is essential for identifying trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points for your altcoin trades. Multiple order types. Beyond simple market and limit orders, Active Trader offers advanced order types like stop limit orders, which are crucial for risk management. We'll delve deeper into these later. Faster execution speeds. Designed for high-volume trading, Active Trader ensures your orders are processed promptly, which can be critical in volatile altcoin markets where prices can change in milliseconds. Dual market trading. You can seamlessly trade and monitor two markets simultaneously, allowing for more sophisticated strategies and hedging. Enhanced liquidity. By merging USD and GUSD order books, ActiveTrader provides deeper liquidity, giving you more flexibility and potentially better execution prices. To access ActiveTrader, simply toggle it on within your Gemini account settings. It's a game changer for active altcoin traders. Unpacking altcoins, Solana, $SOL, and Zcash, $ZEC, on Gemini. Gemini supports a growing list of altcoins, and two prominent examples with distinct use cases are Solana, $SOL, and Zcash, $ZEC. Solana, $SOL, the high-performance blockchain. Solana has garnered significant attention for its incredibly high transaction throughput and low fees, making it a strong competitor to Ethereum in the smart contract platform space. It utilizes a unique proof-of-history consensus mechanism alongside proof-of-stake to achieve its impressive scalability. Why trade SOL? Solana's ecosystem is rapidly expanding, with numerous DeFi projects, NFTs, and dApps building on its network. This growth can drive demand for $SOL, leading to price appreciation. Traders often look for opportunities in periods of high network activity or when major projects announce their migration to Solana. Its speed and low transaction costs also make it attractive for frequent traders. Considerations: while fast and scalable, Solana has experienced network outages in the past, which can impact investor confidence. Like any growing ecosystem, it's also subject to intense competition. Zcash, $ZEC, the privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Zcash stands out for its strong emphasis on privacy. It utilizes ZK-SNARKS, zero-knowledge succinct non-interactive arguments of knowledge, to enable shielded transactions, where the sender, receiver, and amount of a transaction are concealed on the blockchain. This offers a high degree of anonymity, appealing to those who prioritize privacy in their financial transactions. Why trade ZEC? The demand for privacy-preserving cryptocurrencies could grow as digital surveillance increases. Zcash offers a unique value proposition in this regard. News related to privacy regulations or adoption by privacy-conscious entities can impact ZEC's price. Considerations: regulatory scrutiny around privacy coins can be a factor as governments grapple with potential illicit uses. Liquidity for privacy coins might also be lower compared to more mainstream assets. When trading any altcoin, including SOL and ZEC on Gemini, it's crucial to understand their underlying technology, their use cases, and the broader market sentiment surrounding them. Don't just trade on hype, do your research. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.